Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. We'll be learning how to log into Bigo Live in today's tutorial episode. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into Bigo Live, make sure you have signed up to Bigo Live first, and once you have, tap on Bigo Live from the app list. Select your country code from the drop-down menu and simply tap on it to select. Once you're done, enter your phone number. You can even sign into Bigo Live with your Facebook, your Google account, your Twitter account, and much more. After you're done entering your phone number, tap on the next button. Now on the next page, you can enter your password in order to log in, or you can even log in via verification code. If you don't want to enter your password, then you can simply tap on login via verification code and a code will be sent to you on your phone number. If you want to log in with your password, then type in your password and you can recheck your password by tapping on the eye icon at the right side and tap on login in order to sign into your Bigo Live account. While logging in via verification code, tap on login via verification code and tap on the send button at the right side in order to receive a code on your mobile device. Tap send, wait for a few seconds until you receive the code. After you do that, you'll be automatically signed into Bigo Live. Pretty easy and quick, isn't it? That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.